Welcome, in front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and in this video I will show you how to set up a fingerprint if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your finger correctly. So in such case, first open the settings, then go to fingerprint, face and password section right here, open it, go to fingerprint, enter your screen lock password, and if you have any previous fingerprint models on your phone, remove them, and after that click add a fingerprint. And before you start adding a fingerprint, grab a dry towel and wipe the surface of your device's screen to make sure that it registers your finger clearly. Okay, and then start enrollment. Place your finger on the scanner and wait until the image is filled. Enroll edges. Click OK, and then let's go back to the settings, and in settings please find the system management and upgrade. Go to system update, connect to your network if you aren't yet connected. Let me do this real quick. Once you are connected, go to system management and update, system update, check for updates for your device, and if there are any updates to it, then take your time and install them to make sure that your firmware is in touch with your hardware. And then hold down the power key, and once the power options appear on your screen, select restart and wait until your phone reboots so that you know that all the changes applied. And once your phone is restarted, let's first draw the pattern to unlock it, and then let's try to use the fingerprints to do the same thing. And as you can see, it worked pretty smoothly for me, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.